Hello everyone. I hope all of you are doing well. Now it is turn of long answer questions of chapter 4. Question number 1 is, what is a reflex action? What is its advantage? Answer is, those automatic actions that we do without thinking are called reflex actions. Example, we immediately remove our hand if a thorn pricks us. Reflex actions are controlled by the spinal cord. Many accidents are avoided because of reflex action and damage is much lesser. Actually, in reflex action, brain is not involved. Now question number 2. How are sensory nerves different from motor nerves? Sensory nerves are associated with sense organs of our body. They carry information from eyes, ears, nose, tongue and skin to the brain. But motor nerve is reverse of this. Motor nerves carry information from the brain to our muscles or organs and make them move. Now question number 3. How do we hear a sound? Actually, hearing sound is a process in which many parts of our ear involved. It happens as sound waves travel into the ear canal and reach the eardrum. The eardrum passes the vibrations through a middle ear bones into the inner ear. Inside inner ear, there are thousands of tiny hair cells. Hair cells change the vibrations into electrical signals that are sent to the brain through the hearing nerves. The brain then tells that we are hearing a sound and what sound is. So in this way we can hear a sound. Now question number 4. Draw a well-labeled diagram of an eye and explain all its parts. Answer is, there are following parts of an eye. A. Cornea. It is clear, transparent area through which light enters into the eyes. Number B. Iris. Iris is present behind cornea. It is flat, colored, ring-shaped membrane with a circular opening in the center. C. Pupil. It is an adjustable circular opening present in the center of iris. It is like a black spot. D. Lens. It is behind the pupil. Clear lens is present which focuses the picture on the retina. Retina is present at the back on which images are formed. F is optic nerves. Optic nerves are nerves which connect retina to the brain and carry messages from retina to our brain. This is diagram of an eye. You can see here. This is pupil, is black spot. Cornea is colorless. Iris is present around the pupil and lens is present at the back of pupil and retina is present at the back of eye, and these are optic nerves which carry information to the brain. Now next question is, what will happen if the taste buds of the tongue are damaged? The taste bud of the tongue get damaged we will not be able to recognize the taste of the food. The brain will not be able to detect what we are eating. Next is the optic nerve will destroy it. Answer is the optic nerve is responsible for carrying messages to the brain for it to understand what we are seeing. If the optic nerve is destroyed, we will not be able to know what we are seeing. See, the hair inside the nose are cut and removed. Answer is the hairs inside the nostrils filter the air and prevent dust particles from entering our nose. If the hair are cut and removed, dust and unwanted things will enter the nostrils and we might choke. D. We have no brain. Actually, our brain is center of control in our body. It controls our whole body by sending and receiving messages through the nerves. If there is no brain, we will not be able to think, remember, feel and control the body movement.